Cheers. Almost forgot about you. Maybe I'll be carving that one next. Who knows? All I know is life is crazy right now. You know, when you try to do something, did you guys just see those two fucking butterflies battling it out? Holy shit. When you try to do something, there's always resistance. And it's not that it's an issue, it's just that with every level of understanding, there tends to be a different approach. So, I'm not leaving you hanging. Quite the contrary. I just want to make sure I don't disappoint. So let me handle business, follow along, and I'll show you some cool things.